Hey, what's going on? Hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make rogue access points with the ESP32. So over here in the corner there should be timestamps for you guys to skip to. And if you enjoy this video, please make sure to like and subscribe as it really helps out a ton. Alright, so one thing you're going to need is Theoni. It is a MicroPython text editor that's just built for microcontrollers. So if you don't have that, you can just Google it and you should see the download page. Once you do have it installed, make sure to open it up. You should see some little windows here. So we're not going to be worrying about anything in particular, but the first step is you got to install MicroPython. But for me here, I'm going to be using the ESP32W rotor. So what we're going to do here is we're going to install MicroPython. So to do this, you can just click on in the corner here, you can press on the MicroPython and press Configure Interpreter. Here you go. And we're going to go over to install or update MicroPython. So click that. Now, right now is a good time to plug your ESP32 into your computer here. So let's see here. There we go. If everything goes well, you should be able to see your microcontroller, your ESP32, right up here. So mine is the COM11 port. It might be a little different from you. It just depends. So make sure erase all flash before installing. So this means it will delete whatever's on the microcontroller and start it fresh. And what we're going to do here is we're just going to keep that default, but MicroPython family, we're going to do, let's see. Now for the MicroPython family, you're going to want to choose the ones that work best for you. So I have the ESP32, so I'm going to choose the ESP32. If you have the S3, then you'll do the S3, and so on. And what I've got here is I have the ESP32 room, so I'll do that. And it should automatically give the latest version here. It is 1.22.2, and the most popular is 1.21. But I'm going to go with 1.22 just because, and I'm going to just press install. So in a couple minutes, it's going to download the MicroPython firmware. It's going to flash your ESP32, and this should take a while. Alright, and there we go. After some time here, you should see it says done. So just press close, and you can press on OK. Now we can see here our ESP32 has been connected successfully. We can see the Python version it's running, or the MicroPython, and we can see just the generic. Now for you, it might not be generic, it might be the S3 or whatever, but that's what it is for me. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to write our code to pretty much create an access point, and then create another one, and just keep creating rogue access points. So there's many ways that you can do this. I'm just going to do it a simple way. So now if you go here to your computer, click here, you can press on the available Wi-Fi, and now we can see here we got fake network 1. And this whole idea is to trick people into connecting to that network. Now of course you could take this code and you can do whole other sorts of things. You can make it into a honeypot or whatever. But this is just a basic example of how you can do this. Now this code will be in the description. It'll be in my repository. I've got a repository on GitHub for all my code tutorials that you guys can download. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe, as it really helps out a ton.